Hi, my name is Maggie Melvin, and I'm the Director of Admissions here for the UND School of Law. And in my free time, I like to bowl. I bowl on 2 leagues, 1 women's league, and 1 league with my husband. Today we're going to teach Dean Pappas how to bowl.
Today, Admissions Director Maggie is going to teach me how to bowl, otherwise known as the impossible task. Stretching, very important. Stretch.
Okay, so the first step to bowling is choosing the right bowling ball for you. So it's kind of like selecting the right law school for you. So what you have to do is you have to find the right weights. Try lifting a couple of the balls, seeing which weight is right. So kind of like when you go into our law school, you sit in on a class, you meet with some of the faculty, some of the students, and you make sure that it's the right feeling and fit for you. So go ahead and lift a few.
How do I know if the ball's too heavy?
So just kind of see if your arm getting tired, is the grip right?
I think this one will work.
Okay, sounds great.
More of the same. Gosh, this is getting worse and worse.
Okay, I'll give you some tips and tricks so that you can do better next time. Okay, so I'll kind of explain to you like the application process again. So if you look at the alley lane, each dot and each arrow is kind of like submitting your application. So each dot is like a step in the process. So if you look along and you throw your ball along this dot to that arrow and right into the pocket shot, you'll be able to get a strike every time. So just like the application process, if you follow your path along the lane, you're going to strike, getting a good perfect score, meaning you'll get into the law school of choice.
Sounds good.
Nice throw!
So do you think Dean Pappas will be joining a league anytime soon?
You know, he knows a lot about admissions, but he should probably stick to Wii bowling. For any questions about admissions or bowling, feel free to contact me at the UND School of Law. Thank you!